Hello, busy beaders. Welcome back. My name is Caitlin, if you don't know me already. And today we are making beaded animals. So I am going to show you the main animal that we're going to do today are little lizards. That's kind of the easiest one, but you can change that up in just a couple small ways, different colors, and then you can make all kinds of animals. Cats and skunks and dogs, and you can really go crazy with it. But today I'm going to be showing you how to make the little gecko one. And this is the perfect craft to get kids involved with. This is something that I'm sure a lot of us did at camps and things in the summer, maybe at school as kiddos. So any kids in your life, this is a great thing to do with them. Also just fun to do yourself, revisit your youth. And I'm going to be showing you how to do today's craft with big string and big beads, which is what I would recommend if you're gonna do it with kids. But a super fun way to kind of translate this craft is to do it with seed beads and to make little teeny tiny keychains. And today's craft is only able to happen because of my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the ones that supply me with everything that we're going to use today, and they can be your supplier too. So please check out the description box below. The link to their website is right there, as well as a link to my website where you can find the step-out instructions to this craft. If you're like, those beads are super cool, I want those exactly, then you can go grab them just there. Also, please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and that way you can come back and join me for the next craft. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in and make these little lizards today. All right, so for this craft, you only need two things really. You need your beads, whether those are seed beads or pony beads, totally up to you. And then you need your string. So if you are using seed beads, you're obviously gonna need a lot smaller string. Otherwise, you can really use anything. I'm just using some leather cord that I have here to make these today. You are also going to need scissors to cut your string and a little bit of glue to secure your knot. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is cut some string. So like all of our crafts that we do here, we like to use an abundance of caution. So be sure to get way more string than you think you need. A couple of feet here should suffice. What you're gonna do is take your string, and you're gonna be working with both ends of your string for this project. So first thing you're gonna do is throw one bead onto your string and take that all the way down to the middle. You wanna keep your string as even as you can on this project, and that way you don't run out on one side. And then we're gonna move up. So this next bead, you're going to put it onto one end, and then you're going to take the other string and you're gonna weave it back through in the opposite direction like this. And then once you have that, you're just gonna pull on both of your ends until it gets to the bottom here. And see, then they sit like that. And so we're gonna do that a couple more times for the tail. All right, so when you have the tail, now it's time to start building the body. So what we're gonna do for that is you're going to put, instead of one bead, you're going to put two beads on. So go ahead and grab two of your body color, and you're gonna put them on one end. Then you're gonna come back over here and you're going to slide the string through and do it the same as we did the tail, but now it's just two beads instead of one bead. And then when you get to the end, just kind of gotta give it a wiggle to make it sit. And then there is our little gecko booty. Okay, so now we need to make our little gecko's back feet. So you're going to take one side, you're gonna do 3 of the regular color, and they're gonna go all the way down. And then you're gonna do 3 of your feet color. So I'm using pink for the feet, and those are gonna go down just like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back through the yellow beads with the same string that we're working with. So it's gonna go back through the yellow beads like this. And just kind of slide those beads through. And see, that forms a little foot there at the end. And then we need to do that on the other side. Okay, now that we have his little feet, his little back feet, we have to continue building his body. So now we're going to do 3 of your body beads, but the center bead is going to be the color that you want his belly to be. So what you're gonna do is put on your body color, and then your tummy color, and then your body color again, like this. And then we're gonna go back to what we were doing, where we take the opposite end and we slide it back through like this. And then you take both of your ends and you pull down, and Z sits right like that. We're going to do 2 of the tummy colors. So you're gonna do 1 of the body color, and then 2 beads with the tummy color, and then 1 bead with the body color. So it's gonna look like that. And then take your other end and push it back through, and then grab your ends and pull. Pull, 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 pull. See, we're starting to build his little tummy. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do 3 tummy colors now. So body color, and then 3 of the tummy color, and then 1 of the body color. So it looks like that. And then we're gonna go back through, grab your ends and pull. Okay, now we have to start going back down. We've built up his belly as big as it's gonna get. So we're gonna grab a body color, and then 2 tummy colors, and then a body color, and then grab this other end, and you're gonna slide it back through. Then you're gonna grab here and pull, and it'll sit like that. Okay, now we're gonna do 1 body, 1 tummy, and 1 body, and then we're gonna go back through these here, and grab and pull. And now we need to make our front legs. So we're gonna do the same thing we did for the back legs. Make sure that those are nice and tight before we move on to the next part. Now we're gonna do 2 body color, and we're gonna do here, and we're gonna make the neck. Go through with the opposite string again on this one. So when you pull, it looks like this. And now we're gonna start making the head. So we're gonna do 3 of the body color, and go back through the opposite way, and pull here. There we go. And now we're going to make the layer of his little face that has his eyes. So I am going to do pink for the eyes because I like that it all matches. And then I'm gonna do 2 in the middle that are just the regular body color. And then another pink for the eye. So it'll look like that, whatever colors you're choosing. And then you're gonna take the other string and go back through, and then pull, 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 pull. And now we have to make his little nose. So we're gonna do 3 of the body color again, and then we're gonna go back through the opposite way with the other string and pull. Almost there. Okay, now we're gonna do 2 of the body color, pull through with the opposite one. And then we gotta put our last little bead on. So you're gonna take the last one, and you're gonna put the body color on, and then you're gonna pull through opposite way. And there he is. Isn't he so cute? Little gecko friend. All right, so now what you're gonna do is you are going to tie your string. Give him a good little knot here. You can either double knot it and then make a loop to hang him from with the keychain. Nice thing about the big pony beads is that you can actually take any of his little feet or his tail, use him as a keychain, or if you just made him to be a little friend on your desk, then you're just gonna glue the knot. So we're gonna take a little bit of our E6000 here, and you're gonna cover that knot in glue. And then you can cut off the ends. And there you have it, a little gecko friend. And there you go. With just some beads and string, you can have little animal friends, either to play with some kiddos, have fun making this project, or you can add clips, carabiners, anything like that, and then you can turn them into keychains. And it is a lot of fun to make them out of seed beads, either with just yourself or with like older kids, teenagers. The younger kids can work with seed beads, but it's a lot easier to use the pony beads, especially to teach this technique to younger kids, but making them really little is also super fun. then they're just small and cute. I hope that you enjoyed getting to make this craft with me today. Please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They're the one who make all of this possible. And please be sure to like and subscribe. That way you can join me again next week and we can make more awesome stuff together. I hope that you're having a really wonderful summer, staying safe and healthy with your family and just getting to have a really fun time in the sun. I will see you in the next one.